Hello viewers, in this video we are discussed the subject is the child health nursing. In that fourth unit, that is the disorders and health problems of a child. Okay, in this in previous videos we are discussed so many diseases like measles, mumps, rubella, neurosis, encoprosis. Okay, so many disorders is there in the childhood stage. Okay, in this we are learning and we are having that awareness regarding childhood diseases. Okay, how to prevent, how to control, how to promote the health of the children. Okay, by learning these disorders, okay, we are having so much of knowledge and skills for providing care of the children when the child is suffering with these diseases. Okay, by learning, by hearing, by observing, we are improving the knowledge and skills how to provide good care to the child when suffering with some of the diseases. Okay, in this one disease condition is there, that is the somnambulism. Okay, it is one of the disorders of childhood stage. Okay, in this the somnambulism means simple word, when the child is sleeping, okay, the child is start for walking. Okay, in the night time, especially in the night time, all family members are sleeping. Okay, the individual who are suffering with this problem of somnambulism, only that particular child will be wake up and they are start for walking in the night time. Okay, complete dim light is there. Okay, there is no bright light, but the child is start for walking when sleep. Okay, there is no proper consciousness. Okay, in the night time we are not walking. Okay, we are only go for sleep, only we are maintaining deep sleep, that is the health for me. Like that the child is not having any consciousness. Okay, the child is in the state of sleep. Okay, in the deep sleep they don't know. Okay, when I am walking, okay, didn't walk, I am only sleep. Like that the child will give some answer to parents. Okay, in the night time you are walking, why you are doing that walking activity? Just in the night time you are sleep well, that is good for health. Like that we are giving some information to the child. Okay, the child is arguing, I am not doing any walking activities, only I am sleeping beside of mom or beside of father. Like that the child will give answer to the parents. Why? Because the child not wantedly walking in the night time. Okay, unwantedly, unfortunately, okay, accidentally they are walking. Okay, this is the somnambulism. Okay, in this somnambulism 15% of children, okay, 15% of children, there is no any physical disorders in that body. Okay, there is no any physical disorder. In the physical disorders means bodily problems. Okay, in the body, digestive system, respiratory system, endocrine system. Okay, these are the body parts, some circulatory system, heart, lungs, stomach, like that some organs is there in the body. Okay, there is no any diseases or any abnormality in the physical parts of the body, but the child having somnambulism. Okay, this type of children's 15% of children having this somnambulism. Okay, at the age of 4 to 15 years of age group. Okay, from the 4 to 15 years of age group children, they are having 15% of somnambulism. Okay, in this during deep sleep only they are walking. Okay, during deep sleep they are walking. They are start for walking in the night time. Okay, in the daytime they are look like healthy. Okay, they are normal. They are speaking normal, eating normal. Okay, but the child is start for walking when deep sleep. Okay, next in this within 2 hours bedtime. Okay, the child is go for bedroom. Okay, the child is sleep on bed. Okay, within 2 hours the child is start for walking. Okay, the child is start for walking. The episode of 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, throughout the night the child not walk, only 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, the child is only 15 to 20 minutes walking. Then when after go for the 2 hours of bedtime. Okay, next in this when we are stopped this problem means if the child is having the age group of adolescent. Okay, by giving some psychological therapy, by observing, by identification of problem in the children. Sometimes due to the mental tiredness or mental stress, the child may have the walking in deep sleep. Okay, by in the early stages we are identify this problem, the child may control this problem. Okay, this is the introduction regarding somnambulism. Okay, next we are going to discuss about definition of somnambulism. Okay, what is the definition of somnambulism means in the childhood stage. Okay, in the childhood stage the somnambulism is characterized by walking while sleeping. Okay, walking while sleeping. When the child is go for the deep sleep, then the time the child is start for walking. Okay, this we are called as the somnambulism. Okay, another name is there for the somnambulism. Okay, what is that name means the child is especially start walking at the night time. That's why we are called as the disease condition, we are called as the noctambulism. Okay, the child is start for the walking in the night time. That's why we are called as the another name for the somnambulism, that is the noctambulism. Okay, these are the synonyms for the somnambulism. Okay, next we are going to discuss about causes for the somnambulism. Okay, what is the cause, what is the main reason for the children for walking in the night time. Okay, in this the child having the first problem, simple cause, that is the fatigue. Okay, when the child having the fatigue, the child may do this activity of walking in the night time. Okay, another cause like lack of sleep. Okay, the child sometimes they are not maintaining deep sleep or they are not maintaining good sleep. Okay, some sleeping disorders is there in the children. Okay, that's why the child may have the walking in the sleeping. Okay, next another one is the exhaustion. Okay, in this exhaustion what happens means the child having physical and mental tiredness. Okay, sometimes the child will do overactivity. Okay, sometimes the child having the severe punishment or over assignment. Okay, the child doing in the homework, that is the assignment will be given by the madams or teacher. Okay, the child continuously doing homework in the evening time, the child feel physical tiredness, or sometimes the child having the tiredness in the physically by playing. Okay, by long jump, high jump or running, walking. Okay, the physical parts of the body of the child will be more tiredness. Then the child is go for the deep sleep. Due to the deep sleep there is no any concentration or any consciousness. Okay, that's why the child may have the, okay, exactly due to the physical tiredness the disease not occur. The maybe the child have the one habit of somnambulism by doing the physical tiredness. Okay, sometimes the child having the mental tiredness. Okay, due to the mental tiredness the child may have the one habit of walking while sleep. Okay, what is that mental habit? Mental tiredness means due to the stress or over crying in the daytime. Okay, sometimes due to the tension or stress, or the child will do observing some fight scenes, or sometime the parents in the family members they are doing some clashes or some problems in the parents Okay, the father beating with the mother, okay, or the mother will having some scolding or by the some higher authority or the grandmothers or the grandfathers. Okay, any social disturbance is there in the family, the social relationship they are not maintaining good in the family, or in the parents and children communication they are maintaining some disturbances, some lot of love and affection to the children. Okay, due to these reasons the child will feel loneliness, insecurity, or sometimes mental tension. Okay, my mom we are suffering with some disorders, or we are not getting any love and affection by the moms. Okay, like that the child having any over stress, the child may have this problem of somnambulism. Okay, these are the causes for the somnambulism in the children's. Okay, next we have discussed about clinical manifestations for the children in the somnambulism. Okay, we are having clinical manifestations. How the disease will identified means in these clinical manifestations the child is walking while sleeping. Okay, the child is walking while sleeping with the blank open eyes. Okay, the child will be having blank open eyes, the child will be simply walking while sleeping. This is the main clinical manifestation in the children who are having the habit of somnambulism. Okay, another clinical manifestation like the child having incoordination. Okay, there is no cooperation, there is no coordination in the family members. Okay, if the mother is go for bed, okay, in the early morning the mother calling child, okay, the child when wake up, okay, there is no cooperation, there is no coordination, the child is avoiding their parents. Okay, avoiding their parents, the child is not giving any response to the parents. Why? Because the child will be suffering with this type of problem like somnambulism. Okay, there is no cooperation, there is no coordination in the children between the family members. Okay, in the early morning the mother calling the children for excretion of urine or for giving a toilet training to the children. Okay, in the early morning the mother will give some toilet training to the children, the child not following. Okay, the child always avoiding that toilet training. Okay, no need this toilet training, I don't want, or I am not taking any oral care by doing brushing. Okay, I am no need any food items from you. Okay, why? Because you are preparing that food items, that's why we are not eating. Okay, like that the child will have negative behavior. Okay, there is no cooperation in the parents to the children who are suffering with this problem of somnambulism. Okay, thank you everyone.